Oh. Oh, sorry, bro. Oh, man. It works. It works now.
This is the best. For real though.
I should have put on some sunscreen. Hey, you have any cream of the sun? Listen to the ball. Listen to the ball talk. What a ball. Yeah. Another. Wow, that was great. Come on, Checo. Pow. Muerto. It's clinical, that's it. Ay! Otra, otra, otra. Hey, look at this. Look at Sauce. Sauce, hey! Ah!
Mark, what do you think about today's session?
Today's session was top notch.
Yeah.
Intense.
What did you improve today?
Just definitely being aware of third man passes. Blocking the passes down the channel in the middle.
Okay.
And yeah.
You're lying just because of it.
No, is that not today's mission? Huh?
Okay, okay.
Is it not?
Again.